Hi students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to continue the prose, the same prose, Earth, the desolated home. Already we started this prose in the before session, isn't it? Yeah, so today we are going to continue this prose. In that last session, what we seen in the prose? So we are discussing about the Arivumadi and her grandfather discussed about the earth and its pollution, isn't it? Yeah, so the family members and all of the people migrated to in Mars and all of them lived in the Mars. Why they are living in Mars? So the earth is fully polluted, that means fully destroyed. So people can't live in that earth. So all the people moved around to the Mars, isn't it? Yeah, and then they discussed about the vegetables and fruits that is unhealthy and tasty, that is compared to our earth, isn't it? So grandfather felt about the fruits and vegetables, its taste and healthy is not like our earth. So we want to live in our earth like that. Arivumadi's grandfather was very sad and tell about like this, isn't it? Yeah, so today we are going to continue this prose. Yes, so their conversation is between Arivumadi and her grandfather. So they went to the vegetation hub for grab the vegetables for Arivumadi's birthday celebration. Yes? Yeah, and then they are discussing about that the full earth pollution. So about the earth pollution, because we are using many technological improvement so that the natural things are disastered. So that all the people went to Mars and lived in that Mars. So they are trying to convey the Mars to our earth, to our home like that. Okay, so because earth is our home, isn't it? So earth is our home, but the people trying to become a home is in the Mars. So it is not a fact. So it's a real fact, not a real fact. So scientists trying to improve the technological improvement in the Mars compared to the earth. Okay. And then Arivumadi's grandfather and Arivumadi discussed about the vegetables and fruits, and also the water is compared to our earth in Mars is very nice and very tasty and natural thing in the earth only, not in a Mars, because the Mars that gives the waters with some burning of fuels. Okay, not in natural manner, but in our earth it is in the natural manner. That means the trains only give the water to the people in the earth, isn't it? Yeah, so they are discussing about these things, and then they are very sad about people don't pollute our earth. So that is the moral here. So all of you, just you listen this teaching part. Let's be into the poem. Okay students, so let us start to discuss about, continue this prose, here the desolated home. Okay, shall we start now? Yeah. Hello students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our English class. This is your teaching session. See, so this is not a new prose. Already we started this prose in the last session. We have to complete this session today itself. Okay? Yeah, so we are going to complete this prose now. Already we just seen that half of the story of the prose in the before session, isn't it? Yeah. What we seen in that last class? First, what is the title of the prose? Earth, the desolated home, isn't it? Okay, so what do you seen in this last session? See, Arivumadi and her grandfather, these two members are speaking with themselves, isn't it? So they are living in the Mars planet because they are destroyed the earth, everything. So people destroyed the earth and its natural things, everything, so that all of the people shifted to Mars planet and they are living in that Mars only, not in the earth, isn't it? Yeah, so Arivumadi was wanted to celebrate her birthday with his grandfather, so that grandfather traveled to many kilometers and then reached to Mars and trying to celebrate her birthday. Yes. Yeah, and then they are discussing about the earth facilities and the taste and healthy of fruits and vegetables found in earth. Yes. Okay, see, so today we are going to continue this prose. See that? So next paragraph, so up to that paragraph we already completed, so this is the next paragraph. Listen here now. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you, these fruits, vegetables and water are not the same as the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed. Even the water? He said, of course, in Mars we get water from burning fuels. On the earth we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today, we are fighting for things which we got easily. See, so in this paragraph, what is trying to say about that? So grandfather laughed. Why he is laughing means that Arivu asked in that before paragraph that fruits and vegetables are natural, like that. Natural means in earth there was natural and it was very tasty and healthy, like that grandfather said. But Arivu replied, but the people used the chemical fertilizers for producing these fruits and vegetables in earth, but here not, grandpa, like that Arivumadi explained to her grandfather. But grandfather, so that only he laughed and explained about the facts of earth. See, so already I told you, these fruits, vegetables and water are not the same as in the earth. So these fruits and vegetables, we are getting the fruits and vegetables in Mars is not the same as in the earth. See, because they are not real. Arivu exclaimed, even the water, they are not real. So naturally we didn't get the vegetables and fruits and water, anything in the Mars, but in the earth it was the earth giving these everything to free for us. Yes. Arivu exclaimed, even the water, he said. So Arivu asked, even the water also we get in that earth in real manner? Yes, of course. In Mars we get water from burning fuels, so not in a natural thing. So not in a natural way we didn't get the water. So water also we just produce because of burning fuels. So some chemicals we are using to getting the water itself. On the earth we used to get water from rain. It was natural. See, listen. On the earth we used to get water from rain. See, so on the earth, in earth, see, for example, today normally how did we get the water? see in rivers and seas, and then some mineral waters means that mineral waters also we get from the rain and also the rivers, isn't it? See, so that only that grandfather explained to her to his grandchildren Arivumadi. Okay, see that on the earth we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. So in earth we are getting the water, that was very natural, but here not. So here we are getting that it's nothing in easy way. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. So don't say stories, just stop the stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. So I know that in earth, if we are living in the earth means it was very easy to survive, but in Mars we were seen many difficulties, like that Arivumadi said. Next, he replied, yes my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. So adapting to Mars, because there is nothing facilities have in Mars because of the living of the peoples, isn't it? Yeah, so it was difficult to living this Mars. Today we are fighting for things which we got easily. So in earth means we can get anything, everything easily, but in Mars that is not fact, isn't it? That is not a easy way to get everything. Next paragraph, he continued, in the earth you did not need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder. See, if you are living the earth means, see, we are living the earth now itself, isn't it? So now all of you living in the earth only. Do you use any space suit or oxygen cylinder with you? No, it's nothing, is it? Yeah, so grandfather also explained that in earth, if we are living in the earth means we can't use any spacesuit or any oxygen cylinder, but if you are living in the Mars means we need everything. So in all time we have to wear the spacesuit and also carry the oxygen cylinder with themselves. Next, also the earth are longer here. See, nowadays normally in 1 year means how many days makes 1 year? 365 or 366 days make 1 year in earth. Yes, we are following that like only, but in Mars how they are following? So they are following the years are longer here. So compared to earth, in Mars they just counting, the day of countings is difference between the earth and in Mars. Arivu said, yes grandpa. See, in Mars 687 days make a year. So 1 year means in earth we just calculate 365 or 366 days. Yes, but in Mars 1 year means how many days makes 1 year? 687 days. So that 687 days only makes 1 year. Okay, and he smiled, haha, yes, you would be 18 years old on the earth. See, so grandfather said, if you are living in the earth means your age is 18, but in Mars you are living means your age is 10 only. So like that grandfather explained to Arivumadi. Okay, see, so we are facing many problems compared to earth. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. So grandfather thought to himself. So he himself thought, what is he thought? we destroyed our home. Our home means here he referred that earth. So earth only our home. The home that nature had offered us. That means our earth gives everything with natural manner. Isn't it? So air and then water and living place. So everything we getting from the nature only. Isn't it? Yeah. Now we are trying to make this our home, but we are destroying everything in the earth because of making that technical improvements. So technological improvement, like that we are destroying our earth and make a noise pollution and air pollution and water pollution, everything we are polluting the earth. So like that we are continue. This means how will it happen? What will it happen? Yeah. So we also going to live with the other planets. We want to shift the earth and living to the other planets, like that. Okay. See, Arivu looked at him and said, "Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars." He said, "True, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Ah, let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate." See, Arivu looked at him. So Arivu tell to her grandfather, "Don't worry, Grandpa. Scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Trying to terraform means trying to change this Mars like the earth." Okay, so scientists are trying to make the Mars like the earth. So like the earth means, so all the facilities they are trying to introduce in this Mars planet. So he said, "True, but nothing can be the earth." So is it true? But we are destroying everything in the earth. So compared to earth, Mars is not like the earth. So like that grandfather feel. Okay. Next, the earth is our home. Let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. So earth only our home, but we are destroying the earth and then we shift to this Mars planet. And finally grandfather said, "Okay, so stop talking. We are going to celebrate your birthday. So let me move," like that grandfather said, and they are starting to celebrate themselves. Okay. Yeah, see the questions. What actions destroy the earth? See, we are nowadays we are doing many things. That means many technical improvements we are doing because of destroying the natural things. Isn't it? We are polluting our earth day by day. Like that happen continuously means we also have to change the earth and then we are going to live another planet only. So this is the imaginary pros. Like we are continuing to pollute the earth means we also going to live with the another planet. So don't pollute our earth, save our earth. So this is the moral of this pros. Are you clear? Yeah. How will you change it? Yeah. So stop to polluting the earth and save the natural things and save water and save air, everything. Isn't it? Okay, students. Are you clear about this pros? Are you understood the meaning of this pros? Okay, so the session is completed. Thank you, students. Hello, students. Welcome back to everyone. This is your English book reading session. Okay. So already we just completed this prose, yet the desolated home. Are you understood that meaning, everything? Okay, so now this time is for your book reading session. So all of you listen that carefully and take a pencil and start to split that and listen each and every pronunciation of the words and letters, everything. Clear? Okay, so already first part we have to completed in that previous session. So this is your remaining part. Okay. See, so what is the title of the prose? Earth, the desolated home. See that? So before up to we already split that. So after this paragraph, now we are starting to splitting. Okay? Grandfather laughed. Already I told you. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you. These fruits, vegetables, and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu explained. Arivu exclaimed. Even the water? He said. Of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. Enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. Here survival is very difficult. He replied, Yes, my dear. Adapting to Mars is difficult. Today, we are fighting for things which were got easily. We are fighting for things which were got easily. See once again. Grandfather laughed. Already I told you. These fruits, vegetables, and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed, Even the water? He said, Of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. Here survival is very difficult. He replied, Yes, my dear. Adapting of Mars is difficult. Today, we are fighting for things which we got easily. See the next paragraph. He continued, in that earth, you did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, Yes, Grandpa. See once again. He continued, In the earth, you did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, The years are longer here. Arivu said, yes, Grandpa. See the next paragraph. In Mars. So, in Mars, 687 days make a year. See, normally we have 1 year means 365 days, isn't it? Yeah, so in Mars, 1 year means 687 days. Okay, so 687 days make a year. He smiled. Haha. Yes, you'd be 18 years old on the earth now. You would be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home. We destroyed our home. The home that nature had offered us. Nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. We are trying to make this our home. See once again this paragraph. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home. The home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Next paragraph. See, this is the last paragraph. We have to complete this. We are going to complete this prose now. Okay? See, Arivu looked at him. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. But nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. The earth is our home. Oh, let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. Today we should celebrate. See once again, Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Ah, let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. Today we should celebrate. See, the last question is, what actions destroy the earth? What actions destroy the earth? How will you change it? How will you change it? See, that's all, students. So your book reading session is completed. Once again, all of you read it yourself, and then if you have any doubt, ask to your teachers. They will inform to us. Okay? Okay, students. So this book reading session is completed. Thank you to all. Read well, all of you.